So, good evening, guys. सो RCKW प्रेजेंट सवाल जवाब में मैं आपकी होस्ट संस्कृति आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। तो आज का ये एपिसोड में एक DRR आ रहे हैं। वी हैव हैविंग अ गेस्ट इन आवर शो, सो रिक्वेस्टिंग DRR नॉमिनी टू जॉइन। हेलो।
Hi Sanskriti,
हाय।
how are you?
आई एम फाइन, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine too.
सो आर यू एक्साइटेड टू प्ले विद
Yeah,
अस?
yeah, excited but a bit nervous too.
No need to get nervous because we have two easy questions for you.
Yeah, sure. Let's do it then.
So,
Yeah, should we wait for some time?
as you wish.
Yeah, it's up to it's your show.
Yeah, it is. I think let's start.
Yeah, okay, fine. We'll do it.
So, before starting, I would like to tell you some rules of this game. So,
Okay,
you have three lifeline.
okay,
First is 50-50. Second is if the question is very hard for you, I can replace it with another question.
okay,
And third lifeline is audience poll, where our audience are going to help you.
okay,
Okay, so let's start, and you will get 30 seconds to answer the question.
okay, fine.
So let's start. Is the screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So first question is, the capital of Uttarakhand is option A Mussoorie, option B Dehradun, option C Nainital, option D none of the above. And your time starts now. The blue line is the timer.
Okay, okay, it's Dehradun.
Pakka?
The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Yeah, B.
Lock कर दिया जाए?
Yes, please.
Okay, so let's check what's the answer. And the answer is Dehradun.
Yay.
Congratulations, you have answered
So I
the
won some
first
cash
question.
prize, right?
You will get. I have a
Oh,
special prize for you in the
oh,
last. Not prize, but a surprise.
oh, excited then.
Should be.
Where people have
Okay.
started texting me with the answers now. Cool.
Oh my God. I have turned off the commenting section just for that people shouldn't answer.
Yeah, DM helps them. Anyways, they are being very late because Insta runs way ahead from the regular
What's
time base.
yeah. It's okay, but still they are helping you.
Yeah.
Okay, so which of the following state is not crossed by Tropic of Cancer? Option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Chhattisgarh. Option C, Odisha. Option D, Tripura. And your time starts now.
Tropic of Cancer, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's Odisha. C.
पक्का?
Yeah, pakka.
भाकरवड़ी किया जाए?
Yeah, please. Bhakravadi. Nice. Yeah, it's Odisha.
Okay, let's check it. C,
Wow.
Odisha. Congratulations, two right answers.
Yeah. I think I'm doing well then.
Yeah, you are. Have you ever played any quiz competition before? Am I audible?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
You are not audible. Okay, have you ever done any quiz competition before? Hello?
This seems to be my first one.
I couldn't hear you, sorry. This is your first time? Hello? You're not audible. You're not audible. No, I can't hear you. Use earphones because I'm not audible. You're not audible. Acha, you just comment. Okay. Waiting for our DRR nominee.
Hello, I'm audible now?
Ah, yes.
Yeah, cool.
Hello. Now you're back. Am I audible? Hello. Hello. You are still not audible. Sh- should I reconnect you? Okay. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Now even we can hear you.
Cool.
So I was asking ki you have ever played any quiz competition before?
Yeah, in school times maybe.
Good. So you're playing after such a long time, I
Yeah,
guess.
right. Long time.
Okay, cool. How are you feeling?
I'm still nervous. I think those helplines might help me further.
Yeah, they would.
Sure.
Yeah,
Let's continue before my broadband gets lagging again.
yeah. Just a sec. So we were on third question.
Okay.
So here is your question. Total number of gold medal won by Indian hockey team in Olympics. Option A 8, option B 12, option C 6, option D 9. And your time starts now.
Okay. What are the helplines?
Oh, you're once again lagging. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. 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 Hello, sir. Are you there? Hello. 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 No, you're not audible. So okay. So till sir comes, I have a question for you guys. What is the first thing you will do after lockdown ends?
हाँ अब सब करो फोन रुकना अब
क्या हुआ?
अब वो उसका प्रॉब्लम है मेरा थोड़ी मैंने लिया उसको रुक थोड़ा
I think am I audible?
Yeah, you are. We can't see you, lekin.
Right. This is going to happen. We need to continue with it.
Okay, you can see me, right?
Yeah, you can trust me. I'm not going to Google any answers.
No, no, I can trust you.
Yeah, actually, I answered the gold medal wala questions with the 8.
Okay, so let's check. So we are not able to see, means we cannot see you full in the full live session.
Yeah, I think
That's
so.
sad. No problem. Your audio is enough for your fans. I mean, you have such a fan following, my
Ah, no, they are my good friends.
good. So moving towards the next question.
Yeah.
Question fourth. Famous Indian writer Dampat Rai Srivastava is also known as option A Lakshminath Bezbaro, option B Ravindranath Tagore, option C Premchand, option D Sumitra Nandan Pant. And your time starts now.
Okay, what are the lifelines?
You have 3 lifelines, 50-50. If this question is too hard for you, then you can skip it. I'll replace it with another question. And one is
I'll
audience
go
poll.
with 50-50.
Okay, so I remove option A and D. So for you, option B and C are there.
Okay. Premchand is the answer.
Yeah. Let's check.
Okay.
And yeah, it's Premchand.
We do have a Premchand in our district too.
Wow. Is he live with us right
Yeah,
now?
he must be live.
Okay.
Prem, are you here?
Hello, Prem.
I'm not sure. Anyways, we'll continue.
Yeah. So question fifth is, how many digits are in Hindu Arabic system? Option A
10.
10. I have to complete my options. Option B 20. Option C 30. Option D 8. And your time starts now. I know you're
Yeah, it's
so
10.
wow. Are the questions too simple?
Yeah. No, this was the simple.
Oh, okay, let's check. So it's 8 10.
Oh, cool.
Congratulations, you have successfully completed 5 questions.
Okay, how many more are the questions now?
5.
Oh, cool. Okay.
So you're okay, but we can't see you. Sad. So where do you live? Means I know you're from district 3131 Pune, right?
Right.
Where exactly in Pune?
Okay. So our district covers Panvel, PCMC, Pune, Raigad, Alibag, and I regret staying in PCMC right now.
Why so?
See, you can't see me here. The range issues are very serious here.
That's bad.
Right.
Cool. So yeah, next question is, in which year did Manushya Chillar win beauty pageant? Option A 2018, option B 2017, option C 2019, option D 2016. And your time starts now.
Okay. Can we go with the audience poll here?
Yeah, sure. So audience time start now. Should I repeat the question for audience?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll repeat it. In which year did Manushya Chillar win beauty pageant? Option A 2018, option B 2017, option C 2019, and option D 2016. And audience time starts now. Come on, audience. Let's help our DRR Domini.
Oh, 2017.
Okay, audience पे भरोसा रखो.
I can trust your president here.
ऑडियंस भी बहुत होशियार है. Wow, we have an answer 2020, which is not an option also.
Let's go with 2017.
Okay, let's check. And it's B 2017. Thanks, audience.
Thank you so much, Rotractors. I know the Rotractors from 3131 are very smart.
Okay, the DRR is so smart, then the retractors must be smart, right?
Arey, nahi. I'm learning from them.
Okay, so let's move. Okay, before moving, I wanted to just ask you, what was your road track journey? Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I still remember I started with the post of co-editor from my club, the institutional club. And then I was promoted as a district editor. Then I was the president at the same year. Then I served as district zonal representative next year. Then the district events and protocol secretary, and now DRR nominee.
My God, such a great journey you had.
I believe that whoever starts from being a normal retractor has a very good journey ahead, because I still miss sometimes being a normal retractor, going out with events, being a normal retractor. It's more fun when people don't judge you there. But I know the journey of DRR is going to be more more encouraging and more fun also. So
It
let's
would
see.
be the best because you had so many, uh, such a big pandemic is in front of you, and you still have to fight for that.
Right, right,
Yeah, a
right.
true legend. So let's go to next question. Who killed Durshasan?
Yeah, I know this. It's Bhima.
So
Yeah,
option A,
Luis.
Arjuna, option B, Sehdev, option C, Nakul, option D, Bhima.
Yeah,
So
it's
what is your
Bhima.
D, Bhima? Okay, D, Bhima. Congratulations. Now you have only 3 questions to go.
Oh, and I have one lifeline, right?
Yeah, you are on safer side now. Okay, moving towards the next question. How long is the first Harry Potter movie, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone? Option A, 175 minutes. Option B, 152 minutes. Option C, 94 minutes. Option D, 168 minutes. And your time starts now.
I seriously don't know this. I hope Drishti is watching this.
So
Okay,
you want
Drishti is a very big fan of Harry Potter, but I know the time is running, and no, I'll go with 152 minutes. Okay, no, wait. Okay, let's go with B 152 minutes.
sure?
Yeah,
भागकरवड़ी किया जाए.
yeah, please, Bhakarwadi.
As I love भागकरवड़ी from Chittor.
Yeah, you should visit Pune.
I visit during Ganpati time as I'm a Dhol Vadak.
Oh,
Yeah. So it's B 152 minutes.
cool. Yeah, I think Drishti was guessing the same.
I hope she's watching the live.
She is watching.
Okay, so let's move towards next question. Question 9. Name the scientists who have discovered that some molecules have minor images. Option A, Louis Pasteur. Option B, Lord Kelvin. Option C, Robert Hooke. Option D, Harry Missoni. And your time starts now.
This game is turning to a guessing game right now.
You still have one lifeline.
No, I won't go with that lifeline.
Okay, as you wish.
I'll go with the A, Louis.
Pakka.
Ah, let's see.
Let's check our audience are too active. Let's check what audience are saying. Come on, audience. What do you think the answer must be? Audience A होना चाहिए. Okay, let's check the answer. And it's A, Lewis.
Oh.
Now you have one question and one lifeline, so you're at very safer side.
I think I should, go to the real KBC soon.
Yeah, I hope you will win it.
Ah, yeah, Dhruv sees the option E as well. Cool.
Okay, we have very crazy viewers also. So let's move towards your last question. How many times a person can be elected as a president of India? Option A, one time. Option B, two times. Option C, four times. Option D, many times. And your time starts now.
Ah, I know this answer. I belong to a law background, so I know this answer.
So your
Let us. I'm going to lock first. It's many times because there is no parameters for being elected as president, leaving other eligibility criteria of the age, and bus. I think it's many times. D.
okay. So भाकरवड़ी किया जाए.
हाँ भाकरवड़ी किया जाए right.
Okay, so let's check. So it's D, many times. So you have
Oh,
successfully given your answers correctly. Congratulations. And how are you
cool.
feeling like after giving all the questions right answer?
Ah, I would like to add on to this last question first. I hope the road track presidents could say this कि I want to get elected for many times. Uh, but usually this is what happens कि एक बार हो गया तो बस हो गया. Yeah, it happens with the president of India too, I think. Cool. Okay.
Okay,
It was a
so
very good experience, coming, interacting with your club, interacting with your road tractors from your district. And it's a very good sign that we are taking this lockdown in a very positive way, and we have not
yeah,
stopped here, by stopping कि अभी कुछ नहीं होगा, we are not getting chance to go out वगैरह. But we are here, we are interacting with other clubs, we are interacting with other districts. It's a very good sign your club, have invited or tractors from another district. I watched this live with Bharat. He's my batchmate I was, to be frank, I was really excited and a bit nervous when your president called me saying Akash तुला पण यायचंय, and I was like, okay. So the next day I started watching all the live videos that we had, and we had also one of our tractor at the start from 3131 who joined you at this show. Then I watched I think Rohit's, then another I think it's 3132 ka DRR also. I don't remember the name, but I watched two of my batchmates video, and I was bit, you know I need to start preparing for it, but we really have a very good host here, and
thank you.
kudos to you, the whole team of Kalyan West, because I know it's not a one time, one man effort, and
Yes.
congratulations to Club of Kalyan West, and may you keep on connecting with many road tractors ahead, with many districts ahead, and looking forward, you host a multi-district event soon too.
I would be the most happiest, but I'm not that pro in this. So, as I promised, there's a surprise for you.
Okay.
So, here is your surprise. I hope you love it.
Is it a cash prize?
No, no, it is something more special than that.
Okay.
Let's start. Just a second. Oh, no, my net is not working.
Side effects of being in live with a person who is in PCMC, right?
No, no, it is not that. It is working still morning. So it is that. No problem. Started.
Yeah. Okay. I'll wait.
Can you hear it?
Ah, this one is damn special for me.
I know that.
यहाँ लोग अनेक पर जज्बा है एक रगों में दौड़े खून जिसमें एक ही जुनून है
I would love if you join
यहाँ
also.
लोग अनेक पर जज्बा है
Okay.
एक रगों में दौड़े खून जिसमें एक ही जुनून दिलों में
जुनून
हमें
है.
जरा आसमां
Okay, I can't see the lyrics.
मन और
You can't now?
छूना है आसमां
Yeah, but
जहाँ एक साथ हाथ थामे खड़े हम
I won't ruin this anthem with my voice now.
एकत्र 3 1 4 2 दुगना साहस दुगना जुनून जब तक है सांसें साथ चलूं और साथ रहूं हम हैं एकत्र 3 1 4 2 दुगना साहस दुगना जुनून दम तोड़ने तक साथ रहूं दिन रात रहूं
I was told by the president specially कि you have to play this song at any cost.
Who told you this? But
My president.
okay, and how does he know this? Because there is a thing, we usually travel to down Panvel, and I have a very good friend in Rotract, Vijay, who's also zonal representative, and we travel together many times. And there has been not a single time that I have played this song. And this is the first song which we play, and then there is another song that is Ud Gaye, which was the theme song for my presidential presentation. And these two songs are very favorite to me. And Vijay has been saying in live ki, this is our favorite song. District 3131 loves this anthem, and we are very big fan of your anthem. And let me promise here to my Rotractors, who are watching this, we are going to have more amazing anthem than this district, and we are going to show this at our Rotasia performance. So be ready for it.
Why not? Excited.
I also love your signature dance too for this anthem.
Yeah. Come once here and we'll do it together.
You need to teach me.
Why not?
Sure. Yeah,
So-
thank you so much. I actually forgot this doing. We should thank this amazing audience we have here. Because I
Yeah.
don't think without them, this live would have been more fun because, we can only see you. That is other pretty side, but the other worst side is you can see only the dark, and still audience were here, supported the whole event, supported me. I feel very lucky to, have this amazing people with me. And people usually ask me, kya mila Rotrack se, and I will have to point many fingers at many peoples to show them what I have gained. And kudos to everyone for all the efforts they did today, from drafting this presentation, from calling me regularly, Akash, are you ready? Akash, ye hua kya? And to my district peoples especially, I know we have been going live each day, and we enjoy coming to live and commenting there. Like, I still remember we had live yesterday of my home club, and we were crazy in the comment sections. And I was a bit nervous ki what would be the results of going live into another district's page or another district's club page, sorry. And it turned out to be very good, thanks to the Rotractors from my district, and very special, very, very, very special thanks from my bottom of from my heart ki thanks to the team of Club of Kalyan West, and hope we see you soon, as soon as this lockdown gets over. And I think we are ready to host you anytime you want. Come to Pune, and I'll be the first one to pick up from your station, from your airport, from anywhere. And let's have fun in Pune too.
Why not? Why not? I keep coming on Pune in Ganpati season. We'll surely meet.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. 3142 also loves you. Thanks
Yeah,
to be a part of our Sawal Jawab. So yeah, good
thank you,
night.
Sanskruti.
Stay safe,
Yeah,
stay
good
home.
night.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Bye. So guys, see you tomorrow at 7 p.m. sharp. Bye. Stay home, stay safe.